this review, we will be discussing in detail about the best emergency survival kits available in the market today. This list was created based on my viewpoints as well as the cost situation in the market. So whether you need best emergency survival kits, this list will show the products available for that. If you want more information and price, please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Buying Guide presents Top 5 Best Emergency Survival Kits. Let's get started!
Purchasing the perfect product for your usage is our topmost priority. We aim to give away our best guidelines for you, the viewers only, so you won't hesitate or get confused while selecting the products from the market. Thanks for staying with us.
Number 5. Akiwo 200 pieces emergency survival kits, perfect for earthquakes, hurricanes, floods, tornadoes, and fires. This first aid is sufficient to treat the whole family or group of friends. Includes disinfectants and additives to prevent the infection of wounds. Top quality survival gears and approved first aid kit. High quality fire starter included, MOLLE system compatible. 100% satisfaction guaranteed. Number 4. Kosen survival gear and equipment. A great gift for Dad Father's Day, Christmas, birthday, or any. MOLLE compatible MOLLE attachment straps on the small and lightweight. Great quality survival gears medical kit, including the most popular after-sales service. Our survival gear is designed to help you. Ideal gift for men. Lightweight, perfect for emergency and everyday use. Easy access storage. Great price deal. Number 3. Taiwasi 152 pieces emergency survival kit. A flashlight's handle also serves as a can opener. Its compact nature enables you to carry it wherever you go. Includes 22 pieces multipurpose survival tools and a blanket and emergency tent. Emergency survival kit for any emergency. A survival kit for outdoor enthusiasts. Basic first aid kit. Comes with a first aid kit with Bright. Backpack shoulder bag for your outdoor activities. Must-have survival gear for all outdoor enthusiasts and travelers. Number 2. Everlit Gen 1 Emergency Trauma Kit. Recon Medical Tourniquet Gen 3 Z Folded Compressed Gauze. Hemorrhage and circulatory care. Bone fracture treatment, massive hemorrhage and circulatory care. Respiratory and hypothermia treatment, customized by U.S. military veterans. User-friendly and compact trauma kit. Respiratory and hypothermia treatment, bone fracture treatment. Thermal blanket made of high-quality nylon material that offers longevity. Features lightweight design that are acceptable for military tactical use. Number 1. Everlit 250 pieces survival first aid kit. The burn dressing might prove vital in the treatment of burns and even prevent an infection from spreading. Features MOLLE compatible straps on the back, enabling it to be attached to your belt. Includes a scissor, metal tweezers, a CPR mask wheel, and some safety pins. Military-grade emergency preparedness kit. Top quality survival gears designed to last 1000D water-resistant nylon. Compact and lightweight. Quick release rip-away EMT pouch.
If you watched our videos, please don't forget to like and share our videos so that others can get benefit from it. For more updates and notifications, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell icon.